Matthew Jeschke here. Let's take a look at this moonlight floor plan. It was built by Monterey Homes, which is a division of Meritage Homes, back in 2006. This home is a 2-bed, 2-bath home. Particular example is in Las Companas, Green Valley. Walk to the back, take a quick look out here, and we'll check out the rest of the home. A little covered patio. Note this is an area where there are no homes directly to the rear, just the street. Let's go back in. So our living room / kitchen. Here's a den, configured as an office in this example. TV niche. Dining area right here. There is a breakfast bar here that wraps around the kitchen. And this is an eat-in kitchen. Here we have our pantry closet. To the right is the entry we came in. Let's loop around to the right over here. Master bedroom space. It's very large. It's a king bed you're looking at there. Water closet in front of me. Right here's our dual vanity, cultured marble, master closet back there. Nice good sized walk-in closet. And on the other side of the bath is a walk-in shower with a bench. Coming back into the master. I'll loop around here and back into that hallway. On the right is a coat closet. Here, parallel to the entry, we have a walk-through bath. There's the vanity, as you can see. Right here, behind these doors, is a cultured marble bath kit. Passing through, again, we're parallel to the entry. That's the entry on the right hall. This is the second bedroom. Coming back, around and out, here we have a mudroom. This leads into a good-sized 2-car garage. And I like this about the mudroom. It has a window looking out onto the front porch. Thank you for touring the moonlight floor plan with me. Again, my name is Matthew Jeschke, and this home, this example was built in 2006.